First at 4, 1 week from Friday, Texas's trigger law will go into effect, banning nearly all abortions in the state. This comes after the Supreme Court issued a judgment last month on the case overruling Roe v. Wade. KENS 5's Zach Briggs shares how nonprofits that help women with abortions are being impacted.
This decision must not stand!
Texans have been living in a post-Roe world of sorts ever since Senate Bill 8 became effective last September. That's the law banning most abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy. Then we had the Supreme Court's historic decision in June, ending the constitutional right to abortion. These actions have hampered the efforts of Texas-based nonprofits that financially help women seek abortion care in and out of state.
Fund Texas Choice, we typically are a practical support abortion fund, meaning we help people to travel by paying for flights, hotels, gas, childcare reimbursement, and those types of costs. And unfortunately, that has been paused.
All eyes are now on August 25th, when Texas's trigger law goes into effect.
We simply don't know what furnishing the means of an abortion will look like for the anti-abortion legislators that are threatening us with these civil and criminal penalties. But we are not going anywhere.
All of Texans' local abortion funds are working really hard right now to pivot and figure out ways that we can still show up for Texans.
The fear of legal risks has not stopped all activity at these organizations. The Lilith Fund's hotline has remained open, pointing women to websites such as abortionfinder.org. Those with the time and money are traveling across the country for care. According to a UT Austin study, nearly 1,400 Texans each month secured abortions in other states between August and December 31st last year.
Folks are having to leave the state, take time off work, take time away from their kids, traveling still in a pandemic to get basic health care. And that is atrocious and like a real tragedy.
Doctors who perform abortions could face life in prison and a fine of $100,000. Zach Briggs, KENS 5.